Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to blur a moving object in CapCut Mobile. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to blur this man's face. So first of all, we can add a blur effect to our video. We can click on this effect button and select the video effect, and we have to search for a blur effect. Okay, and just hold on, and I'm gonna go with this blur effect, and I'm going to make the effect align with the video, so I'm gonna drag it like this. Alright, and we're going to duplicate this clip. Just click on the clip, and you're gonna scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option. Click on this duplicate, and we're gonna overlay it as well, so we can click on overlay and drag this clip like this, and we're going to put mask to the second clip. So click on the second clip and click on the mask option. We're going to use the mask to cover the moving object, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we can invert the mask like this. And since the object is moving, I'm going to make the mask follow the moving object, but before it, I'm going to adjust the position like this and adjust the size as well. And if we want to make the mask follow the moving object, we can use the keyframe button right here. You just need to click on this keyframe button like this, and then we can do it one by one to make the the mask follow the moving object like this. You can do it one by one until the rest of your video or your clip. This. Okay, and I think it's done. And now let's just take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can blur a moving object in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.